रेडियो 360 पर हम स्वागत करते हैं नीति मोहन का। और सबसे पहले नीति, वी विल कंग्रेचुलेट यू फॉर इश्क वाला लव एंड GRA being on our top 6 charts.
Thank you so much, Radio 360, for appreciating Ishq Wala Love and GRA. So nice to be on Radio 360. Hi and big hello and happy Diwali and all this season greetings for all of you.
And Niti, do you realize that your song now is standing a chance to be in our top 100 chart?
Thank you so much for that. I think it feels great that everybody is appreciating the songs, and I just got to know that all the listeners, they make a lot of effort to vote for the songs and listen to all the songs. So thank you so much for that. So making an effort, taking out time and listening to all the songs. So I think you guys make the songs a big hit. So a big thank you to all of you.
Niti, a quick question to you is, who has inspired you the most musically?
I think A.R. Rahman sir. I consider him as my mentor, and he has inspired me the most to become a musician and to become a good human being. I think it goes hand in hand. If you're a good human being, you automatically become a good artist. So I'm just trying to be both. Just trying to be. Yeah.
And you're obviously doing a very good job because you've got 2 songs and both the songs are on the top 6 chart. So which speaks volumes.
I hope so.
Trust me, we've done a lot of shows. We've done a lot of top 6. I've done the top 100 myself, and I was just discussing this. मैं अपने सभी listeners से यही बात कर रहा था कि top 100 जब हम करते हैं या फिर top 6 countdown पहले किया करते थे, तो जो number 1 song हुआ करता था, it used to only get like about 900 votes, 800 votes, and all of a sudden there has been a trend. अभी और ज़्यादा लोग हमें सुन रहे हैं, and since we've become a worldwide platform, it's the radio has been become available worldwide. Our top number 1 song gets like about 4,000, 5,000 votes. So you can imagine the number of emails we get for just the top 6, and it's done weekly. So
I think I should congratulate Radio 360 team for doing such an awesome job that all over the world there are listeners who are tuned into the radio and they are listening to the good music that you're playing for them. So hats off to all of you.
Thank you very much for that. नीति, एक और एक सवाल आपसे, आपको डिस्कवर किसने किया था, यानी कि how did you get discovered?
I had won a reality show in 2003 on Channel V called Pop Stars.
Pop Stars, yeah.
Yes, तो मैंने गाना गाया था, चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदी की चमची से चटनी चटाई. So that song had become a big rage that time, and even now I think it's a very popular song. और उसके बाद I've been touring with A.R. Rahman sir for all his world concerts. In fact, I had come to Sydney 2 years back, or I have been part of his Jai Ho World Tour. So I've performed a lot with him. I've learned a lot from him, and yes, and I think I've learned a lot from the music teachers that I've had and all the people around me, musicians around me. So.
Well, ये तो मैं आपके विषय में कह सकता हूँ कि I later on realized that you were the one who was singing you were one of the nightingales of A.R. Rahman.
Yes.
ये हमें बाद में पता चला. But Niti, I know from past experience that you sing Maiya Maiya as well a lot in the shows. A.R. Rahman जी की.
Yes, I think वो बहुत popular हो गया because थोड़ा सा मैं उसमें belly dancing भी करती थी and थोड़ा सा so basically a dancing and a singing combination सर के शो में रहमान सर के शो में पहली बार हो रहा था. So that's why Maiya Maiya became very popular and I think a lot of people think कि मैंने ही उसको even गाया है फिल्म में भी, but that's not the thing. I tell people नहीं, मैंने originally नहीं गाया है, but on live concerts में yes, I've always performed that song.
So we can say that you basically earned that song now in live performances.
I think in a way. But it's a beautiful song and it has its Arabic flavor, and I try to bring that every time I sing it. So I love singing that song.
Niti, थोड़ा सा मैया मैया का line, थोड़ा सा for our listeners.
मैया मैया गुलाबी तारे चुन ले सारे चुन, मैया मैया ए जिस्मों के बर्दों में दर्दों के मारे चुन ले, मैया मैया गुलाबी तारे चुन ले सारे चुन, मैया मैया ए जिस्मों के बर्दों में दर्दों के मारे चुन ले.
Whoa, amazing. And Neeti, you wouldn't believe it. These are the songs that we keep playing. And Chandu Ke Chacha, मैंने आज ही program में बजाया. And Maya Maya is one of the songs we normally play. So maybe this is why our radio plays these kind of music. And I think this is one of our USPs. And I think that's why people love it. And
Yes.
you guys sing it so well. चाहे आप हो या फिर कोई और भी singer हो. And there's another thing that Radio 360 is very adamant about is काफ़ी singers होते हैं जो अपना personal albums निकालते हैं या फिर you do your own composition that never get out to commercial radios. यहाँ पर हम what we do is we pick out these songs. So let it be any other song, any singer that sings it. If we find that there's hard work and there's talent, we bring it. We bring it as a power play.
Oh wow, that's really, really nice of you, because as an artist, all we want to do is just, sing nice songs, and maybe if we are able to create nice songs, we just want to do that. So for that, we need your support. We need, channels like Radio 360 who can promote our independent music as well, because at the end of the day, it's all about good music. No. So thank you for doing that.
No problems, Neeti. और दलेर मेहंदी जी से भी हमने बातें की थी, and he is very excited. उन्होंने हमें ये promise किया है कि he will launch his जो आने वाला album है on Radio 360. So that's we can say that we were over the moon with that. And also
Wow.
Shweta Pandit song कह दो ना, it has been number 1 on our top 6 charts. And that's a proud
Wow,
album.
yes, I read about it. Yeah, really happy for Shweta and really happy for Radio 360. I think this is the first time this has ever happened कि एक non-film song, just a single has ruled, a radio station. So that's many congratulations to Shweta and to Radio 360 for doing that. And to all the listeners who have made this possible.
It's इनके बिना हम कुछ नहीं है, यानी कि listeners ही वो कड़ी है जो हमें आपसे और आपको इनसे और हमसे एक साथ जोड़ती है. So we need this circle. So I'm very happy that you appreciate that. और I'm sure जो हमारे listeners सुन रहे हैं कार्यक्रम को, they will really appreciate this. Neeti, one more question for you is यहाँ पर बहुत सारे सिंगर्स हैं, यहाँ पर ऑस्ट्रेलिया में है, वर्ल्ड वाइड है, दे आर स्ट्रगलिंग सिंगर्स, वो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, कुछ जो होप्स लूज कर रहे हैं, इनके लिए आपके पास कोई खास मैसेज इनके लिए?
I think music is a journey, and that's how you should see it. It's not about winning prizes or getting your song in top 6 or singing it for a big film. Music itself is a blessing, because you have to be gifted to be a musician, and then किसी को सुर की knowledge होती है, वो by birth होती है, किसी को नहीं होती है तो नहीं होती है. So I think they should consider themselves lucky and really fortunate people who are chosen by God to be gifted with the gift of music. And I think we should all keep working hard to become better musicians, better human beings, because life is too short to just fret over just opportunities. I think the bigger purpose is to become a better human being and a better musician. So this is what I want to say. This is what I do, so I just want to share this with all the people who feel frustrated or they lose hope. I don't think you should lose hope.
Bilkul, and I think it's a very strong message that you're sending out, and you're being an example. So I'm sure.
And I would also, sorry, I'm cutting you, but I would also like to add this, that my first playback has happened after 9 years of my, journey. So I think I'm a living example of not losing hope and not giving up. I think I kept working hard. So मैं कर सकती हूँ तो I think सभी कर सकते हैं.
And we commend you for that, क्योंकि आपने impossible में से I और M निकाल के इसको possible किया है.
बिल्कुल.
And Neeti, so far how's your journey been from winning Channel V Pop Stars से लेकर इश्क वाला लव और GRA तक? इसको how would you describe it?
I think it's been amazing. That's what I said. Music is a journey. So every stage, I have learned a lot. When I was part of the band Asma, I learned a lot from the band. I got exposed to a lot of Western music. उससे पहले मैंने कभी Western music इतना नहीं गाया था. So I learned how to sing harmonies. I learned how to sing with a band, because then you project differently. Then you have to sing differently, think differently. And I learned a lot being in Asma. And I got to sing beautiful songs, and we got to do a lot of interesting stuff as a band. Then I toured a lot with Rahman sir. I sang some jingles for advertisements. I sang TV title tracks, for Nach Baliye, for Dil Dosti Dance on channel. So I sang all of that. So every time I've learned something. And even I've attended a lot of concerts. I've been to a lot of performances. So I think throughout जो experience रहा है उस वजह से, because I heard different musicians, different genres, I could sing Ishq Wala Love and GRA so differently, because I have kept my training on. Yeah, beat any genre.
And that's amazing, because I've seen an interview with Telly Chakkar where you sang Ishq Wala Love, and immediately after that you sang GRA. It was amazing, and I was like, how on earth can this girl do this quick variation of the tones? It was two different genres, and you just picked it up. You ended one and you started off the other one. It was like a combination of both the songs, and I tell you, there's respect for that kind of a talent.
Thank you. And if you want to check out, if you're going to surprise more, then please check out my performance on MTV Unplugged with A.R. Rahman sir. That's a jazz song that I've sung with him. And if you're going to get further surprised, then please check out my single, the first ever single, Ja Ja. It's more of like classical ballad, a heartbreak kind of ballad. So please check that out too.
Well, we will surprise you, Neeti, क्योंकि आपका ये जो single है जा जा has been nominated by our music panel to be the power play. तो आने वाले सप्ताह में हमारे जो listeners हैं इसको power play में सुन सकेंगे. तो congratulations for that as well, Neeti. और
thank you so much.
Neeti, when it comes to genres, I would like to ask you, as what sort of music defines Neeti as a free spirited take? अगर कौन सा genre आप पसंद करती हैं गाना?
The thing is that this is the most difficult question for me. Kyunki when I was a little girl, I used to listen to a lot of bhajans, because my parents used to go to ISKCON temple in Vrindavan. So there I got exposed to a lot of bhajans, and I used to enjoy that. And then when I went to boarding school, I heard a lot of classical film songs, and then I started singing that. Then when I heard Rahman sir's Roja, Bombay, so I started singing those songs. So, and then I was in Rajasthan, I sang a lot of folk songs. And then when I came to college, I sang English songs. In Asma, I sang a lot of pop. So wherever I've been, I've tried to learn music, as like how every day you can't have idli, or you can't have omelette in the morning.
Yes.
The same thing with music for me. I get bored, so I have to keep experimenting with different genres, different styles. Even with my own voice, I get bored singing in the same style. So I have to suddenly sing really high rock kind of song, then I have to sing really low, then I want to sing something very soulful, a ghazal or something. So I think I enjoy variety. I want to be a versatile singer.
And I think you're doing a very good job about that, Neeti. Thank you कि आपने ये हमारे साथ शेयर किया कि आपका secret क्या है, कि आपका secret genre कौन सा है, and it's all the songs, so which is great.
कोई भी genre नहीं है, कोई भी genre नहीं है, ये मेरा secret है.
And Neeti, अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कि कोई एक ऐसा गीत, कोई किसी और एक सिंगर का जो आप सबसे ज़्यादा सुनती हो या सबसे ज़्यादा गाती हो?
मैं
Personal favorite.
मेरी पर्सनल फेवरेट एल्बम आई वुड से इज लता जी की एल्बम है लेकिन, केसरिया बालमा एंड सुनियो जी. ये बचपन से मैं सुनती आ रही हूँ और आज भी मेरे आईपॉड पे प्लेलिस्ट में हमेशा हैं. एंड आई थिंक दीज आर एवरग्रीन सॉन्ग्स. दे ब्रिंग द एसेंस ऑफ इंडिया, ऑफ कल्चर, ऑफ आवर इंडियन म्यूजिक, एंड एट द सेम लॉट ऑफ फोक इन इट. और बहुत सोलफुल सॉन्ग्स हैं. दे आर रिटन वेरी वेल, एंड दे आर they are just beautiful. They are piercing. They just caress your soul when you listen to such songs.
थोड़ा सा हमारे listeners को गुनगुना कर सुनाएंगे आप अपने favorites.
केसरिया बालम आओ नी, अधारो मारे देश रे. केसरिया बाल मामूरे के तुमसे लागे नैन. हो केसरिया केसरिया हो केसरिया बाल हो जी कि तुमसे लागे नैन. केसरिया
अमेजिंग नीति, अमेजिंग। आपने जिस तरह से इसको गाया है, आई कैन, आप जिस तरह से आपने गाया, मुझे अब ये गीत याद आ रहा है। सो कि इट्स प्लेइंग बैक ऑन माय माइंड, सो इट्स अमेजिंग, इट्स वंडरफुल। और नीति, कमिंग बैक टू इश्क वाला लव, हाउ डिड दैट हैपन? लाइक किस तरह से आपको अप्रोच किया गया फॉर इश्क वाला लव?
I think I was really surprised when Vishal called me one day. And I've always been there. I've always appreciated their music. I've always been their fans of their music, Vishal and Shekhar. And I think their music does justice to the film always. So I was really surprised one day I got a call from them and they said, we would like to try your voice for one of the songs. Would you like to come to the studio? And I just went there and I heard Ishq Wala Love and I instantly connected to the song. I instantly fell in love with the lyrics, with the music, and the way I had to sing it was really interesting. So it was very low and husky rendition, and they just wanted me to check if I could sing that low. And I was really happy because I really liked it and I could sing it. So they loved it, and I'm thankful to them that they gave me this opportunity to sing such a beautiful song. And now it's an amazing feeling because सबका status होता है इश्क वाला love on BlackBerry और उनकी caller tune होती है Ishq Wala Love, or people write Ishq Wala Love, and even some people have made a spoof of the song, Gana Wala song as well. So yeah. I think it has become such a rage. So I'm so fortunate and I'm so thankful to Vishal and Shekhar for making me part of this beautiful song.
हम अपने लिसनर्स के साथ बहुत बड़ा अन्याय करेंगे अगर आपसे ये इस गाना के विषय में कहा और आपसे गवाया नहीं, तो आपको थोड़ा सा गाना पड़ेगा हमारे लिसनर्स के लिए।
Okay, I'll sing Ishq Wala Love for all of you. क्यों ना ऐसे होता जो मिलते तुम हो जाते गुम साथ मेरे, होते होते होगा समझाए हम थम जाए थम ओ दिल मेरे, टूटा ज्यादा ज्यादा तारा जब गिरा, जरा ज्यादा ज्यादा मांगू दिल तेरा, तभी ज्यादा ज्यादा माने ना दिल ये सर फेरा इश्क वाला ला, बड़ा ये दिल नादान था पर आज कुछ ज्यादा हुआ इश्क वाला ला, जो खोने का था डर तुझे पता नहीं क्यों ज्यादा हुआ इश्क वाला ला, इश्क वाला ला। Thank you.
Amazing नीति। And मैं यही कहूँगा कि ये जो गीत है it's so catchy और it's like ये आपके साथ रहता है। It's one of those songs you'll have on your iPod, in your car, everywhere you go, even on your laptop, because you would want to listen to it in a loop, and you can listen to this song in a loop. Even Salim, the way his rendition of the song is also like जिस तरह से आप दोनों का combination है, I think Vishal and Shekhar have hit the hammer on the nail.
Yes, I think the combination of the voices is also very interesting. Salim's texture of the voice and Shekhar's and mine, three very different voices, so that's why the song has become very interesting. And it obviously talks about love, and there is a lot of passion in the song, and it's still very innocent also. So that's why this song connects with everyone, not only with the youngsters, even all the age groups. Everybody has this on their phone. So yes, it's a good song.
सिर्फ एज ग्रुप ही नहीं, क्योंकि हमारे प्रोग्राम कभी-कभी यहाँ पर जब बजते हैं तो ऑफिसेस यहाँ पे बगल में जो है चाइनीज के ऑफिस भी है, यहाँ पर ऑजीज भी हैं, यानी कि गोरे भी हैं. They love the music. It was surprising the other day. It was Ishq Wala Love was playing and they queued up at the door.
Oh wow, that's so sweet. That's really nice to know.
And I think music connects people, and it's very good to know कि this sort of music and इस तरह का connection भारत से बाहर लोगों को किस तरह से जोड़ता है. And it's amazing when you travel, and that's when you find out कि how many people listen to you and want to listen to this over and over again.
Yes, it's really amazing.
Niti, the next thing, GRA.
Yeah.
Now tell us about GRA.
So GRA is like a dream come true for me, because I have been a very big fan of Rahman sir, and I consider him my mentor, my guru. So because I had traveled a lot with him all over the world and I had sung a lot for him, so I think this was the best song that he could give me, and I'm so thankful to him again, because it has come in a, it has come in a film which has gone in history. It's Yash Ji's last film, and the combination is so amazing. There is Yash Ji, Gulzar Saab, Rahman Saab. It can't get in terms of, they're three legends, and I sung a song, when these three legends were creating this song together. So it is really, I feel honored that I've sung GRA. And I'm very happy that I was chosen to sing it. And sir wanted me to sing this song with a lot of attitude. And I said, okay, here's it. Here's a lot of attitude for you. So yes, I think they really liked my rendition, because I just wanted to do whatever they wanted me to do, So I'm glad that I could deliver whatever they wanted.
Did you get like a character script of Anushka Sharma before you sang the song, or it was just?
No, it's just that I was told that the girl is very urban, and she's, she has a lot of attitude, and she's young and she's vibrant and she's a very happy soul, and the lyrics were also like that. So yeah, I was just told that, so I said okay. So we just went for it. Yeah.
And apparently Anushka loves it as well. In an interview with Anushka, she said that she really likes the song. It was first time ever कि उसके नाम पर एक गीत बना हो, यानी कि the filmy character पर. So she loves it for that as well.
Yeah.
तो थोड़ा सा GRA.
Okay. थोड़ा सा चीखना पड़ेगा, because I have to be that character to sing that song. So here's GRA for you. चली रे जुनू को लिए कतरा लम्हों को पिए. That's my dog, by the way, who is singing with me, for all of you. पिंजरे से उड़ा दिल का शिकरा, खुदी से मैंने इश्क किया रे. जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया हो. जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया ओ आ आ.
आपने शायद ये नोटिस नहीं किया, पर आपने इतने हाई नोट पे गीत को छोड़कर हम अपने डॉग को हमारे पास, यानी कि फ्रोडो को इंट्रोड्यूस किया, and did you realize that you picked it up from the same note where you left it?
Okay, so my dog was singing with me. I think he likes GRA too, and he thinks that I am singing, and so he also starts singing, bha bha like that.
नीति, थैंक यू वेरी मच, आपने ये सब कुछ हमारे साथ शेयर किया. और हमें ये बताइए अपने नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में, यानी कि जाजा. हाउ डिड जाजा कम अबाउट?
So one day I was just sitting at home, and my father, Mr. Brij Mohan Sharma, वो बहुत अच्छा लिखते हैं, and one day we were just sitting and I was sitting with my guitar, और ऐसे ही I thought सब love songs लिखते हैं, I'll write a heartbreak song. So और ऐसे ही naturally intention ऐसा नहीं था कि heartbreak बनना है, but ऐसे बन गया.
Okay.
Or my father helped me with the lyrics, and so I started the song, and then he helped me with the antras, and so it became, everybody liked it at home, my mother, my sisters, and they all were like, you should record this song, it has come so naturally to you and dad, and I think let's record it. We recorded it, and it sounded so nice, and everybody in the house said, let's make a video on it because it's your first single, and let's put it on YouTube. So basically, just excitement बढ़ता गया to about the song, and we ended up doing a video. And now actually I showed it to MTV, and they're going to be playing it on MTV also, the video Jaja. And so I would be really grateful if Radio 360 also plays Jaja, and it's my first composition with my father, so it's really special for me.
वेल आपके लिए ये बिल्कुल स्पेशल करेंगे क्योंकि इट्स ऑन आवर पावर प्ले. सो जितने भी रेडियो 360 लिसनर्स हैं हर एक शहर में, हर एक सिटी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, दे विल बी एबल टू लिसन टू दिस सॉन्ग फ्रॉम संडे, क्योंकि हम इसे लॉन्च करेंगे एज अ पावर प्ले. सो संडे के टॉप 6 से काउंटडाउन में पावर प्ले के अंतर्गत इसे इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाएगा, एंड देन फ्रॉम देयर ऑन पीपल विल बी डेफिनेटली लिसनिंग टू इट एंड वोटिंग फॉर इट टू बी ऑन टॉप 6.
Wow. Okay, great. I hope people like it. Thank you so much for that.
I've heard it. I've heard the song, and personally, it gets my vote. मैं ऐसे गीत it's जैसा कि आपने कहा कि आपने बहुत कोशिश की है, it reflects off from the song. So I won't इसका जो पूरा gist है मैं अभी नहीं दूंगा. I'll let the listeners listen to it themselves, and that's why I'm going to ask you not to sing the whole, just a small teaser हमारे listeners.
I'll just sing the first line. जा 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 तुझे बुला दिया. Okay, that's it. Don't want to sing more.
और अगर हमारे listeners को इस गीत के बारे में और जानना है या फिर और सुनना है या पूरा गीत सुनना है, आप अभी YouTube पे जाकर सुन सकते हैं. पर अगर आपको रेडियो पर सुनना है तो रेडियो 360 आपको सुनना होगा संडे को टॉप 6 के अंतर्गत पावर प्ले में. ये नगमा हम आपके लिए पेश करेंगे. नीति मोहन, आप हमारे साथ कार्यक्रम में आई, आपने ये सब इन्फॉर्मेशन हमारे साथ शेयर किया, अपना प्यार हमारे साथ बांटा, हमारे लिसनर्स के साथ बांटा. इसके लिए आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. रेडियो 360 को आपने अपनाया है और साथ में अपना जो प्यारा मैसेज दिया है सभी लिसनर्स को, इसके लिए भी हम आपका शुक्रिया अदा करेंगे. एंड वंस अगेन नीति, हमारी ओर से, हमारी टीम की ओर से, खास तौर से हमारे जितने भी लिसनर्स हैं इनकी ओर से आपको बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं.
Thank you Radio 360 for having me on your show and on air, and it feels great कि आप इश्क वाला लव और जिया रे इतना appreciate कर रहे हैं, and I hope you like Jaja as well. I have two versions of Jaja. One is unplugged and one is a reprise version, which is more like clubby. So I think I will share both the versions with you, and I hope you like it.
Thank you very much, Neeti, and all the best to you for the coming future.
Thank you, and season's greetings to all the listeners of Radio 360. Thank you so much. God bless.
Thank you, Neeti.
तुझे भुला दिया अब ना